The ePower 360 Jackrabbit provides you with a powerful spotlight, worklight, warning light, and powerbank. This rugged light features a brightly colored orange and gray case. It is ideal for camping, RV care, job sites, or emergency use at the home or on the road. The rear side of the Jackrabbit has a battery monitor screen, so you know how much power is remaining, plus power ports for USB and USB-C cables to charge small electronics. It is powered by a built-in lithium-ion battery that provides up to 8.5 hours of light and is fully recharged in 5 hours. The Spotlight has an adjustable housing, so you can raise the light up or down as needed when using as a worklight. The 3000 Lumen Spotlight operates with a single power switch to cycle through multiple light settings, plus features an additional switch to turn on or off the emergency flashing red light. It includes a convenient shoulder strap for carrying.